For this video tutorial, we will show you how to register for co-requisite courses. When you log into MyTriCSpace, navigate to the Registration tab and click Register, Add or Drop Courses. Then we'll click Register and select our term. For a full registration tutorial, check out one of the other videos on the Tri-C YouTube channel for a full registration tutorial on how to search for classes, add them to your schedule, and navigate through the financial acknowledgments. For the purpose of this tutorial, we are going to register for the paired section of English 1001 and English 1010. Courses will have paired sections based on test scores for the placement test, courses that are science-based and have a lab component to them, and there's a lot of other options. So if you have questions about your linked courses, check in with your academic counselor. They will be able to provide the most guidance for you. But again, for the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to look at English 1001 and English 1010. So when we search for English 1001, we have several options that populate for us. We're going to look at this one in particular, so you're going to pay special attention to the CRN, because the CRNs are what links the two courses together. For English 1001, CRN 82345, it is taking place the full term of the semester, all 16 weeks, starting on August 24th and ending on December 13th, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, from 12 to 12:50 p.m. So to find out what the co-requisite course is for English 1001, we'll click on the title of the course and it shows this pop-up window. If you go to course descriptions, it will say students who register for this course also need to register for English 1010 CRN 81304. You will always want to check the course description to see what the paired CRN is for that particular section that you're looking for. So you're going to want to remember this CRN. We will go ahead and add Intensive College Reading and Writing, English 1001, to our schedule. And you'll see that it populates down in the calendar view from 12 to 12:50 p.m. as well as in the cart. Do not click Submit without putting the other English course in your cart, otherwise you will return an error. So we'll navigate over to Enter CRNs, and we'll type that English 1010 class in. And that was CRN 81304. We'll click Add to Summary. It once again shows up in the calendar view, and you can see it in the cart here. Once all of the sections that are paired together, that are required co-requisites of each other, are in your cart, go ahead and click Submit. And at this time, the pending will change to a green registered, as you see with the other courses on my schedule, and then a payment options window will appear for you. You can select payment options that are available to you, make your designation, click Submit, and then you can follow the instructions up here, click here for payment options and financial aid, and designate your options. Any questions about co-requisite courses, please reach out to your academic counselor in the Counseling Center. And if you have any questions about adding classes to your schedule or you need assistance, please reach out to one of your campus student success specialists.